Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, the beginning of my fall DIY series for 2018. Over the next couple of weeks, I'll be sharing you DIY projects as you prepare for the fall season. I hope you enjoy. I started with this adorable little pumpkin that I picked up last Halloween at TK Maxx. I love the shape and style of this, but just wasn't the right colour. I took it outside and gave it 2 coats of my favourite white Dulux paint. This project was inspired by a pumpkin that I seen last year, guys, that you were getting. It was white and it had roses on it, but unfortunately we didn't get it here in Australia. So after my little sweet pumpkin was completely dry, I took these beautiful white foam flowers that I picked up from eBay and I hot glued them randomly over the pumpkin. Once I'd completed the roses, I decided to make a bow to the front of the pumpkin. I took this burlap ribbon that I picked up from my local dollar store. I simply cut a piece and I hot glued it at a join at the back. I also cut another piece about 5 centimetres long and cut it on angles at each end. I then placed the overlap piece on top, and then taking a piece of floral wire, I joined it together and twisted it around. Once that was complete, I took the 2 back pieces and angled them downwards and then got my finger and fluffed out the bow. Then taking another one of those little white flowers, I simply hot glued one into the centre to cover the floral wire. I then took my pretty little bow and I hot glued it to the front. And here is my adorable little white pumpkin. Guys, I'm so happy with how this came. Here in Australia, we tend to not get pumpkins as we don't decorate for the fall season. I'm probably the only Aussie you'd know that actually decorates for fall and winter and has pumpkins throughout her home. But we have to wait to around the Halloween time if we get access to any particular pumpkins, and they're very, very minimal. So when I seen this adorable little pumpkin on Insta stories, I just had to try and find a way that I could bring it to my home as well as give it Chelle's little touch. Guys, I truly love to make use of things more than once, and I like to take my DIYs to another level. So I absolutely loved my little pumpkin, but I also had another idea in mind for it. Chelle needed to put her thinking cap on, but I wanted to create this into a lamp. Now, I'm no electrician, but I had an idea in mind that I could take this little pumpkin anywhere throughout my home and I wouldn't have to plug it in anywhere. My idea was that I wanted to put something to hold up a lampshade. So I thought for a while and I was playing around with some ribbon and my husband walked over to me and said, "Put this on the top." What a wonderful idea to give some height. Now it looks a little silly at the moment, but I took this ribbon spool, I simply hot glued it to the top of the stem of the pumpkin, and then taking my favourite lampshade, I hot glued it to the top. Now I know yous are all saying, but Shell, how are you going to get light in there? This little magic number is a battery operated push light that's just from my local dollar store. I simply took some double-sided tape, put it on the back and stuck it inside my lampshade. And here is my adorable little pumpkin lamp. Guys, this was so exciting when it actually all come together. I had that idea in mind. I knew this little pumpkin would look so awesome as a lamp, but obviously I didn't want to bring in an electrician. I didn't know anyone that could help me out with the power side of things, but I knew there'd be a simpler way and one that was completely inexpensive. Always try and think outside the box, guys. When you look at a particular project, there are so many possibilities that you could do with certain things, and never give up on something that you think may not work, because there's always a possibility. And here is a little view of it at night time, guys. It gave such a cozy feel, such a fall feel to my space, and obviously a very completely inexpensive project that anyone can have a go at. Fall is definitely my favourite season of all, and I happen to live in a part of Australia where it is cold 9 months of the year, guys. So majority of the time my house is decorated for fall and winter and is very cosy, but also very rustic and glam. I encourage you all to have a go at your very own little pumpkin lamp this weekend. Guys, there's so many possibilities for this little project once again, but you could have your very own pumpkin lamp sitting on your nightstand this weekend. I love how this little pumpkin took on two variations. You could have the pumpkin by itself or simply add that lampshade and that push button battery operated light, which gives the illusion of your very own pumpkin lamp. I hope I've inspired you guys to have a go at your very own pumpkin lamp this weekend. I hope I've given you some inspiration as you all prepare for the fall season. I want you to go through your pumpkin collection this weekend and say to yourself, I'm going to create my very own inexpensive DIY pumpkin lamp. I'd love for you guys to share that with me. You can follow me over at Instagram at Chelle's Glam Home, and it makes my heart so happy, guys, when you share your DIY projects with me. So keep them coming. I would so love to see them. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed the beginning of my fall series. I'm working on lots of DIY projects for you, as well as some home decorating ideas for the fall season. And I'll bring these to you over the next couple of weeks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. Now, I try to upload every second night, so keep an eye out for more videos from Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.